The other part of Wise Mind Nutrition that I cannot wait for you to see is this digital workbook. This is where you complete assignments, you save your favorite links, your favorite little sayings, I call them gems, throughout the program, and you build on your previous work. And it's based on the program, which you can see here. It has 42 days, it really goes from 0 to 42, so let's call it 43. The 30-day program starts on day 11. So the first 11 days are really just an introduction to the framework, teaching you how to use the food log. There are definitely some other featured speakers that I can't wait for you to check out their energy and just get a taste of what's coming in the program. So the first 10, 11 days are introductory. Learn stuff, download stuff, make sure you like what you're getting here, and then once you start the program on day 11 is when you start using the digital workbook, okay? This is when the assignments start. So for example, when I look at sleep hygiene, we've got options to select bedtime, wake time, select some sleep strategies, and what's really cool is everything you do in the program ends up being stored in the dashboard, the digital workbook. So as you move through, you do assignments, you revisit them, you set intentions, you store recipes, everything lives in this digital workbook. And at the end of the program, you'll be able to see all the work that you've done. So it's not just doing stuff vaguely and broadly, you're actually documenting your journey along the way. And this is something that you could share with a provider. So if you have a dietitian, doctor, therapist, and you want to do some work in the Wise Mind Nutrition app and then share it with someone, that person will be able to, take some next steps with you, right? It wouldn't be impossible that someone would come to me after completing the program, have their digital workbook all completed, and then I'll have a really good sense of what are some next steps, right? So the Wise Mind Nutrition app is a treatment program that you could do on your own, or you could do in conjunction with a provider. And if you're someone that goes through the program and just loves it, and you want to become a provider, we can talk about that too. Please feel free to reach out with any questions you have about the Wise Mind Nutrition app.